Today I gonna review best 750 watt electric bike, like top 5 best 750 watt electric bike in 2022. If anything less than a 750 watt electric bike feels sluggish to you, welcome aboard. This level will also start to offer good hill climbing performance. For heavier riders, 750 watt is when flat land performance starts to become more enjoyable and hills actually become consistently possible. Enjoy this video, please subscribe our channel. 1. VELOWAVE 750W electric bike for adults. Benefits and details. Powerful motor. 750W high-speed Rattan geared motor. The upgraded model provides stronger electric power with speed reaching up to 28 plus mph. Removable larger battery. Comes with 48V/15Ah larger battery with larger LG cells and longer lifetime, covering a range of 25-40 plus miles per full charge. Removable battery, convenient to bring home or office to recharge. Speed and range. Max speed, 28 plus mph by pedal, 20 miles per hour by throttle. Range, 25 to 40 plus mile by pedal, 35 plus mile by throttle. Calculation based on rider's weight of 75 kilograms. Range varies according to road condition, weather, rider's weight, etc. Good riding experience. Equipped with multifunctional LCD display, hydraulic disc brake system, hydraulic suspension fork, adjustable seat, high brightness front light, anti-skidding fat tire, increased stability, comfort and energetic riding experience. Please check the description and buy now. 2. Rattan 750W electric bike for adults. Besides being a foldable electric bike, Rattan 750W foldable e-bike will let you step through for easy access, which might be useful for the elderly. Let's get to know what this model has to offer. Offer Rattan 750W electric bike. Easy step-through access. Motor and battery. Build quality. Tires and brakes. Gear and suspension. Technical details. Motor and battery, 750W brushless motor with 48V13A battery. Maximum speed, 28 miles per hour. Frame/weight, 6061 aluminum alloy, 70 pounds. Seat, 31.4 to 36.6 adjustable. Wheel and brakes, 20X for fat tires with Techi braking system. Control and display, LCD monitor, EPAS technology. Check the description and buy now. 3. DJ Mountain Bike 750W electric bike. If you prefer having the most reliable 750 watt electric mountain bike, DJ Mountain Bike will outperform almost all its competitors. Let's take a closer look at why. Offer DJ Mountain Bike 750W electric bike. Powerful motor for steep rides. Battery with great backup. Suspension. DJ 750 electric bike was made keeping mountain roads in mind. Braking. The braking system of this DJ bike has Techi brakes to bring you to a stop at a very short distance. Weight and holding capacity. This bike is very lightweight, so perfect for hill riding conditions. Technical details. Motor and battery, 750W Rattan brushless motor and LG 48V13A battery. Frame, 6061 aluminum. Suspension, Mozo Tangan aluminum alloy suspension with adjustable pressure. Gear, Shimano freewheel 7-speed. Brakes, Techi disc brakes. Wheels, 26X 1.75 alloy wheels. Seat, 36 to 40 adjustable. Check the description and buy now. 4. ECOTRIC 26-inch fat tire 750W electric bike. ECOTRIC 750 watt electric bike is a modern bike that inculcates old-school inspiration in its design. Its robust construction gives you a comfortable ride through rugged terrains like uphills and mountains. Offer ECOTRIC 26-inch fat tire 750W electric bike. Cost-effective and high-performing mountain e-bike. Sturdy fat tires for rugged terrains. UL certification. LCD display monitor. Specifications for ECOTRIC UL certified 750W. Weight/wheel size 38 kg, 86 pounds/26 inches. Number of speeds 7. Max speed 40 km per hour, 25 miles per hour. Adjustable seat height, 38.5 foot, 44. Motor/battery, 750W/removable 13Ah48V battery. Check the description and buy now. 5. LANDX 750W fat tire, folding electric bike. The LANDX electric bike for adults is the perfect way to get around town. With a 750W motor and 20 by 4.0 foot fat tires, this bike can handle any terrain. And with Shimano 7-speed gears and a 12Ah battery, you can easily reach speeds up to 31 miles per hour. The LANDX electric bike also comes with rear rack and fenders, so you can take it anywhere you go. Offer LANDX 750W fat tire folding electric bike. Reliable and high performance. 750W powerful motor and LCD display. Comfortable dual suspension. Brake and Shimano gear system. 3 riding modes and large capacity battery. Folding electric bike design. Thanks so much for watching the video so far. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Now you pick your best choice 750 watt electric bike. Please share this video. Like, comment, subscribe must. Click the bell icon for the upcoming new video notification. Thank you.